What's up, everybody? It's your boy Nicholas Mentor, and today we are unboxing my brand new Amex Gold card. Keep it locked. Drop the intro, baby. Let's get it. This is unboxing. Take two. All right, guys, I finally got my package. I don't know which card this is, but we're gonna find out. So this is gonna be the unboxing. I kind of like the fact that it came in a UPS envelope, so that makes me feel pretty safe, that nobody would try to steal something like this. Definitely came priority mail, so let's check it out. Looks like I got my American Express today. The gold card is here. Really like how this looks. Nice, firm box. Looks like they spend a little money on this. All right, guys. Let's take a look. All right. Nice envelope here for the gold card. Take a look at this design they got inside. You guys see this design? World Service, Amex Gold. American Express, man, they doing it pretty big this time. Okay. See what we got here, man. You know what I'm saying? So got some official documentation here. A little information about the card. That's good. Cool thing about American Express Gold Card is, you know, you get 4 times the reward points on restaurants. Come check this out. 4 times the reward points on restaurants. US supermarkets, 4 times the points. 3 times the points on flights, which is pretty awesome. Let's take a look at the card. Y'all ready for this? Y'all ready to see this? Ooh. So, got the American Express Gold card. It's pretty dope. So really, I think it's slick metal. It ain't all the way metal. Well, yeah, it is. You can't really bend it. Come take a look at this. So like I was saying before, American Express Gold card, really solid card. 4 times the reward points on restaurants worldwide. 4 times on US supermarkets, up to 25,000 per year. And then of course, 3 times the flights. So I don't plan on taking 1 million flights this year. I probably will be at the supermarket and at restaurants a whole lot more this year. So again, guys, I love this American Express Gold card. 4 times the reward points on restaurants, 4 times the reward points also on US supermarkets. I chose this over the American Express Platinum card because it also has 3 times the reward points on travel. So I probably won't be traveling a whole lot this year, just in terms of my lifestyle. I'm gonna be doing a lot of things here where I'm at right now. So definitely a great investment, and it works well for me. For more videos, make sure you click the subscribe button and also the notification bell right below. Catch you guys next time.